industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new Force II system for the 1996 through 1999 Chevy Tahoe and GMC Yukon with the 5.7-liter engine. This catback single tailpipe system includes a flanged Y-pipe assembly featuring our Scavenger D-port technology, a 50 series big block muffler, 3-inch mandrel-bent tubing, and is finished off with a 3.5-inch polished stainless steel tip. As a Force II system, it will typically produce a deep performance tone on the outside while maintaining mild interior sound levels. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a subtle but distinct performance sound, this is the system for you. This stainless system is backed by our limited lifetime warranty and includes all the necessary parts and hardware for a great fitting installation.